Hey guys, Dwayne with TourneyX. I want to go over the app with you guys. I've had some requests that we put up a new video, and also we'll go over some of the new features that we've added. One of the new features we've added is to be able to submit one fish to multiple events. The other one is we've fixed the identifier area to log in directly to the site and pull all your identifiers instead of just individual tournaments. And we've changed some documentation on the live well area and also in the managed catch area. So we're going to go over these areas real quick. First of all, let's get into the submit a catch area. So as the old app did, does the same. It's the same layout. We didn't change a whole lot other than when you go to submit a catch, you're able to select multiple tournaments now by tapping on them, and you can also unselect them in the same manner. So let's submit one fish or submission to multiple tournaments. Let's do that now. We've also added over here the left hand side, you'll notice there's an AC. That is to let you know that it's an auto call tournament. So you can submit one fish to multiple auto call tournaments, but if it is a manual call, you have to submit one at a time to the manual call. So just remember that. It'll come up with a pop-up and say you can't do it if it's a manual call. So let's go ahead and jump into this. Let's select multiple tournaments and let's submit a fish. We'll capture a photo. Let's just take a snapshot. We'll use that photo. It does show you the location and all. Let's go ahead and give it a number of 20 inches, and we'll submit this to the live well so you'll see it populate the live well area with 3 different tournaments. So let's go over to the live well now, and in the live well you'll see where it shows all 3 tournaments. And so now if you want to submit from the live well, and just remember, we'll go back real quickly to talk about the live well. The live well is part of your hard drive on your phone. It's part of the memory. So it is not on the server yet. So let's go ahead and show you how to get it there. So down at the bottom it says swipe left to delete, swipe right to submit. And so we're going to swipe to the right. We'll click the submit button. And it's going to ask us, do we want to submit them one at a time or do we want to submit all? At this point, we want all 3 to go so they can all 3 be judged on the server at the same time. So we'll submit all, give it a couple seconds to be sent, and it sends all 3 at the same time. So now we can go back to the home screen. It refreshes. And let's go to manage catch, and we'll look for those 20-inch fish to see if they're there. So let's go to custom, and there's the 20-inch there at the bottom that we just submitted. So they did make it to the server just fine. Let's look at one of the other ones to be sure. And there's the 20-inch there at the bottom as well. So that's the submission part. It's pretty easy. You now can submit one fish to multiple tournaments. If you need to go into manage catch, to say remove a fish because you submitted the wrong fish, you can go in, tap on the tournament you need to remove that fish from. This is how you remove a fish, guys, so pay attention. At the very bottom right hand corner it says edit submissions. Tap that toggle switch and it shows you all the fish you've sent in. Red are the ones that are auto called, the white ones are the ones that are on the board, and there's that 20-inch fish at the very bottom we submitted. So we can just swipe to the left and delete that fish. So now it's not on, and actually when you delete that fish, it pulled back a 19-inch fish in its place. That's the way the auto call system works. So now let's go to the identifiers real quick. Tap on identifiers. It's going to pull up all your identifiers for all your tournaments. You got your tournament column name, you got your identifier in the middle, and you've got your identifier code that TourneyX generates for you. There is, and I don't have an identifier uploaded to the server, but if there were one, one, you would see it under the identifier column. That would be an actual link. You click the link and it would open up that image for you. Yeah, that's pretty much it. That's what we've updated. We've updated the submit a catch area to allow one fish to multiple events. We've updated the manage catch area with the edit submissions area. We've updated the identifiers to give you an overall view of all your identifiers. And we've updated the live well to submit to multiple events with one fish, and also documentation to swipe and submit or delete the fish. So thanks for watching. Dwayne Wally with TourneyX. See you.